So we simply try to carry out the orders of our previous acharyas, of our disciplic succession. Actually, Prabhupada revealed that there is a great secret to becoming advanced in Krishna consciousness. There is a great secret. That secret is one should constantly pray for the mercy of his spiritual master and the previous acharyas to advance in pure devotional service. One should pray, he should desire the mercy of the great Vaishnavas. This is the open secret. That they are very easily satisfied. Of course, one cannot approach without going through his spiritual master. If one does, that's called Mayavadism. He's trying to say, I and my guru are one. That cannot. One has to approach to his spiritual master. And then he begs previous acharyas, Lord Chaitanya, Nityananda, for mercy, for help to perfect oneself in pure Krishna consciousness. Srila Prabhupada, he always showed this. He always was trying to satisfy the desires of the previous acharyas. Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur had said that more important than big temples is book distribution. When he was at his last few days, he told Prabhupada confidentially that in the Gaudiya Math, when we built such big building, we moved from our rented house. Then immediately there was a conflict when we had our marble temple. Who would stay in which room? Who would take which position? Who would sit where? Now I'm thinking better to simply take out all the marble stones, sell it and print books and distribute profusely. The purport is that our first business is book distribution. And Prabhupada, he is saying, what is the mood of my spiritual master? What is the mood of the previous acharyas? They want Lord Chaitanya's movement to be spread. So he saw that first there must be book distribution, then there must be temple construction. The basis is books. Basis is transcendental books. So in the same way, Srila Prabhupada, he always was looking for a chance to satisfy one of the predictions or one of the desires of the previous acharyas. Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur, he predicted in many places in his writing, in his monthly journals, in his books, that the whole world would one day become Krishna conscious, just as Lord Chaitanya had predicted. And he would invite all the people of the world to take part in his transcendental marketplace of the holy name. Although it was 1890, when every Indian was thinking that the British with their big iron horses, the locomotives, they have given us the greatest thing. There's nothing greater than this. When people were wearing suits and coats and were proud to be given the title of Sir Ashutosh, Sir such and such, Mukherjee, they are so pleased to become get these titles from the Western people and drink tea and take on the Western affinities and ways and mannerisms. He was saying, no, the whole world will embrace Lord Chaitanya's Sankirtan movement. This is a very dynamic and far-reaching understanding. So, of course, Bhaktivinoda Thakur, he predicted that at the holy birthplace of Sri Mayapur, that one day will come when there will be devotees from all over the world who will come to pay homage at the birthplace of Lord Chaitanya, who will come and serving in the birthplace of Lord Chaitanya, they will chant together, Jai Sachinanda, Jai Sachinanda, Jai Gaura Hari. So Prabhupada, he saw the desire of the previous acharya to have devotees from all over the world come to that holy place. And so then he took the opportunity, anything he could do. What does the previous acharyas want? He just jumped at the chance. Anything I can do to satisfy their desires. Anything. Whatever they want.